In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively perform sentiment analysis using ChatGPT. Sentiment analysis is a fascinating process that allows us to understand the emotions or attitudes expressed in written text. Whether you're looking to analyze customer reviews or gauge public opinion, this tutorial will guide you through each step, making sure you gain useful insights from your data. First, you'll need to open ChatGPT by visiting chat.openai.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and start a new chat session. This is your workspace where all the interaction with ChatGPT will take place. Next, provide the text data you wish to analyze. As an example, let's focus on a customer review. A typical review could be something like, "I love the fast delivery and friendly support, but the product quality could be better." Your goal here is to input this text and prepare it for analysis by ChatGPT. Once you've entered the text, ask ChatGPT for a simple sentiment classification. For instance, you might say, "Classify this text as positive, negative, or neutral. Explain briefly why." ChatGPT is designed to provide quick assessments, helping you understand the general sentiment expressed in the text. To gain a deeper understanding, request a detailed breakdown of the sentiment. Here, you could ask ChatGPT to quantify the sentiment in percentages, like positive 70%, negative 20%, and neutral 10%, and to provide reasoning for this distribution. This step not only gives you a nuanced view, but also helps you identify specific areas that may need attention. For those looking to analyze sentiments across multiple entries, you can run sentiment analysis on several customer reviews at once. Present ChatGPT with a list of 5 or so reviews and ask it to analyze each one. The output should be organized in a table with 3 columns: review, sentiment, and explanation. This structure helps you easily compare sentiments and draw conclusions. Finally, turn these insights into actionable business strategies by applying them for business insights. Summarize the main positive and negative themes that emerged across all the reviews. Then ask ChatGPT to suggest 3 actions a business could take to enhance customer satisfaction. This step is crucial as it translates data analysis into practical, strategic decisions that can lead to better customer experiences. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to not only perform sentiment analysis, but also interpret the data in a way that can drive meaningful improvements. Whether for personal or professional use, mastering these steps allows you to keep your finger on the pulse of customer sentiments, making you an informed stakeholder in any decision-making process.